Welcome back to Weekend Smile. So they say women should invest in a few wardrobe essential pieces that will keep them from buying new outfits every time an occasion comes around. Today we put that to the test. Joining us to discuss day to night outfit hacks on a budget is fashion content creator Danielle Jones-Cox. Welcome to Weekend Smile, Danielle. How are you?
Thank you so much for having me, Talia. I'm good.
You're welcome. Looking fabulous in your green dress. We were talking a little bit earlier, you know, and from project management to fashion digital content creator, you know, how and why did you make that transition or even manage both?
Well, it's not as hard as it may seem because this is me all day, every day.
Okay.
Even at work, if I show up in just a regular suit at work, my colleagues and my team members are like, hold on, what's happening? Because I tell everybody all the time, every day is an opportunity for a fashion show. And so I'm always dressing up like this. Even if you go on my social media pages, you can see like the background from the office where I'm showing the daily office looks. So it's just a part of me.
In terms of this interest, is it that you just always felt the need to just show up and show out and feel that important, that was important?
Actually, I've always been interested in fashion. My mom has pictures of me wearing her heels as a child and dressing up. But I think if the pandemic taught us anything is that we're not going to waste an outfit. So after working at home for 2 years, being in pajamas for meetings, I thought, well, if I'm back to the office, I'm really gonna show up this time around.
Really gonna show up. So you actually focus on restyling outfits, and we actually saw a video of you, you know, just switching up a few pieces. So let's take a look at that.
Right, so here you can see I'm actually wearing a jumpsuit, which is one of the things I love the most. And I just simply took off the jacket, and this is it for night. Just throw off the jacket, change your heels, add a belt, and it's so cute for nighttime. Jumpsuits are like an instant outfit. So here I am in an all-white suit, and then we're gonna switch it now to like a cute little nighttime look, maybe for like drinks or just hanging out with the girls, right? So throw off the jacket, and she's cute for night as well. And here we are with like another look, just adding the sequin, and this is perfect for Christmas.
Yeah.
You know?
So you spend a lot of time in terms of restyling these outfits. Now let's talk about some of the benefits to restyling outfits, because you know that once it is that you wear something, sometimes you say, oh my goodness, I wore this like last month. I have an occasion coming up, I have a nice function. This would have been perfect for it, but, you know, so tell us some of the benefits of restyling some of these outfits.
So one of the critical things I look at is, you know, it's sustainable, right? Because a lot of people don't know that a lot of the outfits, like fast fashion, a lot of the clothes end up in landfills, and clothes aren't as biodegradable as, you know, just your run-of-the-mill cabbage stuff coming from your kitchen, right? So I'm very interested in being sustainable. But even beyond that, I think just by an accessory change, you can change up the outfit. I'm very big on using safety pins because I can't sew, to just like completely pull up a part of a skirt and it's completely different. Changing a hairstyle just makes the outfit look so different. So I think some of the times women feel as though I need to have a ton of outfits, but you don't. It's your clothes.
Yeah.
You need
You're spending money.
That's right. Yeah, you can figure out cute and innovative ways to make it look different.
Okay, so day to night.